The iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max models are reportedly going to include ProRes recording. The iPhone 13.
Oh, yes.
Yes, we've got big news about this. It's
Good.
obviously another product that's about to drop in September, as everything seems to do. September's the month.
Tech-tember.
Exactly.
Thanks,
yes.
AJ.
You're obviously been on Twitter once or twice.
Do you want to coin that one off me?
I've seen other people use it, so I can't really claim that one. The iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max models, the daddies of the bunch, are reportedly going to include ProRes recording natively on the phone in its camera app. So you'll be able to record with the ProRes codec in the smartphone's camera app, which seems, well, we're recording ProRes now. You use external recorders on DSLRs to record ProRes. It's the codec of choice for editors.
Yeah.
There's no word on whether you'll be able to use, if it's 10-bit, 12-bit, 444, 422 color, or if that's ProRes Lite or Proxy.
You're losing the audience now because you're going, nobody cares about all this stuff. AJ.
I can't imagine it's going to be the top end of ProRes because that's 2,500 megabytes per second.
I didn't know about this, but what I did know about is, and it's a leak, I don't know for sure, it's supposed to have portrait video. Now, I find portrait mode annoying enough on photos.
Is that like bokeh mode on the Sony camera?
Bokeh mode.
Right, fucking bokeh mode.
Bokeh. Bokeh mode, AJ.
Don't get me angry. You're triggering me.
Who's going to want to do that? It's where my ear disappears from the photo. You go, oh, that looks really arty. And then you realise they've got no ear.
Yeah. Like something in the same focal plane's out of focus when it shouldn't be. Okay, so there's the problem, right? In a nutshell. You've got the iPhone 13 is reportedly then going to be appealing to people that can't use a camera that want it to look like cinematic.
Yeah.
And people that really have to know how to use a camera to use ProRes. You can't appeal to both of those with the same bit of hardware. It just doesn't work. Appeal to the consumers that want bokeh mode. I understand it.
Yeah.
That's who buys iPhones.
I want a photo that looks like Van Gogh.
Wicked. You've got no ear. Well done. Yeah. Don't put ProRes in an iPhone because I'm not recording anything meaningful with my iPhone. Nothing.
Do you think they're just pushing for the point where not only have you paid this huge amount of money for this phone, and I think in the UK the average now is like 50, 60 quid a month.
Yes.
For a phone, which is basically financed for free for 2 years.
Yep.
And your call time or your data plan. So you're paying 50, 60 quid a month. You've put down a couple £100 on it. And now you've got to do, I think mine's about £7 a month for data service, like to store my photos.
So now imagine the videos that you record.
Yeah.
Average 1,000 megabytes per second. A gigabyte per second.
Yeah.
Eek.
So that data plan's going to have to
go
increase.
up a bit. Yeah. It's going to...
Have you seen anything about pricing yet?
Nothing about pricing. It undoubtedly will be more expensive than the others because of component shortages.
Yeah, that's what I saw. So it'll be interesting to see because they're saying about the Apple Car being possibly talked about tomorrow as part of an earlier release than they originally thought.
I imagine they'll be talking about Apple Glass as well.
Oh, wow.
But on the camera side of things, ProRes in an iPhone, as far as an innovation goes for innovation's sake, cool. A bit like HDR recording on the 12. It's cool, but it's not really for anyone. There's no point to it. And it annoys me.